Going through a divorce is never easy, but going through a divorce as a foreigner in Thailand can be even more stressful and challenging. You might not be familiar with the procedures, and dealing with government organisations in a language you don't understand is frustrating enough without the emotional weight of a divorce. The good news is, Siam Legal's divorce lawyers know what you're going through, and we're here to help. I'm Augustin from Siam Legal, and in this video we'll be discussing how to get a divorce in Thailand as a foreigner. With a better idea of how this all works, and by knowing what to expect next, you can make informed decisions on your next steps and better protect your rights, assets, and family. Let's get started. Step 1 of getting a divorce in Thailand as a foreigner is to get a lawyer. Even if you and your partner agree to separate amicably, having a lawyer on your side to oversee the legal proceedings and a divorce agreement will save you from the potential issues in the future. A mistake in the paperwork can cause delays or legal confusion, and a poorly prepared divorce agreement could lead to disputes later on or an unfair distribution of assets. That's why as soon as you decide that you will go through with the divorce, you should retain the services of a reliable divorce lawyer who is not only bilingual, but also is experienced in helping foreigners with their divorce challenges. All legal proceedings in Thailand are done in the Thai language, so you want a lawyer who can help you understand what is happening and inform your decision making with valuable advice. This will ensure the best possible outcome for your divorce case. Once you have a lawyer on your side, you must determine the kind of divorce you will undertake in Thailand. In Thailand, there are two kinds of divorce. The first is an uncontested divorce, also known as an administrative divorce. This occurs when both you and your spouse agree to the divorce and have no major issue with the terms of the separation, such as the division of property or the custody arrangements or any children involved. It's by far the simpler and easier kind of divorce and does not require appearances in court. However, it hinges on both of you coming to an agreement. Also, only marriages registered in Thailand can be uncontested. If you cannot agree to the terms of your divorce or it was registered in a foreign country, you must go through the other kind of divorce in Thailand. If one of you does not wish the divorce, or if there is a disagreement on the terms of the divorce, a contested divorce is necessary. Also known as a court or judicial divorce, this kind of divorce takes longer and is more expensive, because you will have to go to court and argue your case to a judge, who will then make the final decision on the divorce terms. These kinds of divorce have distinct procedures, so you'll have to go about things differently depending on whether your divorce will be contested or uncontested. We'll start by explaining how to perform an uncontested divorce. The first thing you'll need is a divorce agreement that you both approve of. This document will lay out the terms of your divorce, including division of assets, spousal support payments, also known as alimony, and child custody. Again, you need a lawyer to create this document for you and ensure that it will be legally acceptable by the government and that it covers all the important issues. The agreement must be in Thai and accompanied by an English translation, as by law, you must be able to read it. Once you have this document, you must then collect a few more, including identification documents consisting of passports for foreigners and national ID cards, accompanied by house registration booklets for Thai citizens. If you're a foreigner and getting divorced at a different district office than the one you were married at, a translated and legalized copy of your passport is needed. You also need your Thai marriage certificates, also known as Core Rule 3. Take these documents to the district office that has jurisdiction over your residence, along with your original and translated divorce agreement. You will also need 2 witnesses to your divorce, both Thai citizens. The office may be able to provide you with one if you can't find one. Once there, it is a simple matter of signing your divorce agreement in front of a government officer and then having them register the divorce in the government records. It shouldn't take longer than an hour or so and costs a nominal fee. When you and your spouse do not agree on the divorce or its terms, you will have to go to file a divorce in the Thai Juvenile and Family Court. To do this, you will need to provide your grounds for divorce, which is the reason you are divorcing your spouse. There are many legally acceptable grounds for divorce, from adultery to abuse to just not being able to live peacefully together. You can find more information on these grounds in the information pages linked in the description. When you file for divorce through the court, you will have to provide evidence of your grounds for divorce, as well as evidence supporting your desired divorce arrangement. This includes the property you believe you are entitled to, your desired custody arrangements, and spousal support terms. Your spouse will then be summoned to the court to defend themselves against your claims. Both of you will have to present your cases to the judge, which can take quite a long time, and cost you a great deal in court fees. However, the stronger your case and evidence, the shorter and less expensive your divorce proceedings will be. Now, the judge will make the final decision if the divorce should go ahead and what its terms will be. Either you or your spouse may contest and appeal the decision or the specific parts of it, such as the child custody arrangements. If you're involved in a divorce in Thailand, partner with Siam Legal to represent you to ensure that this difficult process goes as swiftly as possible and delivers a favourable outcome for you and your family. We've been helping foreigners solve their legal issues in Thailand for over 20 years, and our bilingual family law team has the experience and knowledge to expertly handle your case, regardless of your situation. We provide a full range of services to ensure your divorce goes smoothly and your family can move on to a brighter future. These services include drafting and reviewing your divorce agreement to ensure that it is fair and enforceable, translating, notarizing, and legalizing all of your important documents in-house for your convenience, accompanying you to the district office to oversee your uncontested divorce, building your case with strong evidence and filing your contested divorce with the appropriate court, litigating your case in front of a judge to secure the most favourable outcome possible, also keeping you informed of developments in your case and your legal options so you can make informed decisions. Retain the services of Siam Legal's experienced divorce lawyers, and we will fight to make certain that your rights and property are protected. With our expert support, you and your family can close this difficult chapter and secure a better way forward. If you have any further questions on divorce in Thailand or wish to start a consultation with our family law team, please contact us via the links in the description. Like and subscribe for more insights into Thai law, and thank you for watching this video.